So look at this, guys. Poison ivy. That's crazy. Look at no public access, $10,000 fine. But everyone comes here. I don't understand that. Look at it says stay on the marked trails. Rusty water, TH. Okay, I think. That's wrong. That's wrong. Let's keep going. You're getting touch it up. Well, there's poison ivy here. So we're on this trail right now. It basically goes up this way and then it curves down to the waterfall. That's interesting.
Well, someone just put a peg.
Why would someone put a peg right there? That's so weird. That's just randomness-y. Be careful. We're going down this steep hill to the waterfall for you guys, for the content. So if you like this video, there's two waterfalls.
There's one over here and one down there.
That's crazy. So if you guys like our content, make sure you hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do so. More on the way. Right here.
Here, now, you can...
Here, go.
Let's do this safely, bro.
Yeah, that's safe. Go.
I'm gonna send down the water bottle. It's too much. Ready?
It's too much. Well, it's gone.
Yo, I'm fucking tired. I need that water. You're dumb.
Oh, mushrooms.
I'll be right back. I gotta go rescue them.
Oh my god.
All right.
Oh my god.
Okay. Yeah, this is nuts.
Bro, here you go. Here, your hand.
Well, no, I'm good now.
Well, you are? Yeah, I'll give her a hand.
Yeah, give her a hand.
One hand. Honestly, like this. Like this. Use your hand. Support like this. And just keep moving your feet like this. He's using his actual butt. Me, I've used my hand like this. And just support yourself down. Like this. You can go backwards if you need. Or like that.
You're crazy.
Look.
Guys, that's steep. That's steep. It's not bad, but like there's nowhere to like grab onto. So if you lose track, like if you lose grip on the ground, there's nowhere like to stop. There's nowhere to hang on to. So, wow, I'm tired.
Oh. And you chucked your water.
I know. I chucked my water because I couldn't do it with the water going down.
I found though, since I came down, I made a little pile when I was waiting for you guys. It looks, looks like a printer part,
What?
some pipes, and this rebarb.
That's sick.
Pretty cool. There's definitely multiple ways down because other people are trying to get down, but we found one way.
Yo, take in how steep that is.
It's not as hard
Wow.
getting back up. It's not as hard getting back up, honestly.
No, getting back up isn't the hard part. It's going down. Going up is... Oh, shit.
There's something probably in here too. Oh. What is that? It's concrete and cement. Make a little walking path right here.
Oh, I smell chalk.
What?
Oh, I don't like how not flat this is.
We're good.
Oh. Oh my god. Whoa. Did you see that? What? I was on a rock and then it went like right. I could have twisted my foot.
It's the clay rock.
Is it?
Yeah,
Let
feel
me
it.
feel it. Crazy.
Oh look, the clay.
What?
Yeah, like I could grab that stuff and mold it. See?
No way.
Yeah, you could grab this and mold it.
Yo,
That's actual clay.
that's so sick. That's so
How I
sick.
knew is because when you step on it, look, you
It's
slip.
squishy, yeah.
You slip. See? Like I just.
It has like that oil.
Yeah.
That
Pretty
oil
cool, eh?
texture. Yeah.
Smells like clay too. Look, someone here made a clay structure. Look.
What?
Like they formed the bottom here with clay, like this, so it stays there, and it's pretty stable. Let's keep it there.
I wonder how long that's been there.
Who knows?
Probably recently.
Yeah, but like still, who knows? All around you, all around there.
Really appreciate it. We just hit 50 subscribers the other day. Well, now we're at 60, but we did our 50 subscriber video. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure you do so.
I'm on top of the rock. Another one. Let's add one. You always add something when you come. That's like a rule. So.
Yo, do you guys have water?
There we go. You always add something when you come by. Even try to find a better rock for the other ones. Let's see. You know what?
Hey, do you guys have snacks?
I just want to see how long this, well, we won't really be here to see how long it stays, but I just added one to theirs to see if they add one to mine. You know?
Yeah, but look at all the base from that.
All right, let's go. Oh, even an acorn. That's a cool top. Oh, I'm gonna put that back. I ruined the little thing, but I fixed it at the same time. There we go. We're pro at river walking. Man, I don't know, I've been stopping and picking up these cool, smooth clay rocks. Really cool, I don't know. I probably got like 4 so far. But check this out. Got a big one there. It's pretty cool. It's for my hamster.
Oh, that's a cool color.
I'm keeping that. This sweater's gonna be like 80 pounds by the time I get home. Finding cool rocks and stuff. Like, that one has cool, like, a cool sparkle to it, but let's keep going. I'm not gonna stop picking up rocks. I gotta stop. I gotta get to the waterfall. Looks like a lot of rocks and clay here, so.
Well, you threw your drink and broke it, bud.
Okay, if I pass out, that's on you guys.
Okay.
You're just getting a bunch of me right now. We saw it.
Yo, you saw bird stuff, do you?
What?
Those are birds, bud. Where are they? Oh, I think you're good. You're lucky you kicked them. But there's birds right there too.
What?
It's a bird zone. Jeffrey, from what I think when we went to Port Dover, we found 2 bullet shells.
What?
Yeah. I cleaned them up today. We found 2 bullet shells.
Let me make sure we're going the right way.
I got cramps. I can't hike. I got cramps.
Well, when I throw my water and I lose my water, like,
Yeah, because you're like,
This is heavy.
what, a 750 milliliter bottle of water?
no, it wasn't heavy. It was just like, I was climbing down the side of the, whatever you call it. I don't even know, mountain.
Oh, well, I was climbing down the mountain. Dude, I got rocks in my sweater.
Whatever, those are valuable.
And I got a sweater, and I got pants on. Jeans, as a matter of fact, and I'm hopping over all these things like nothing.
Well,
I'm sweating up a storm, G. If you guys like our hiking videos, please leave a like.
I already said that.
Okay. Oh yeah, because it's all you talking, right? So there'll be a bunch of clips of you instead of back and forth, back and forth. That's right.
Hey Josh, we need to parkour there. There's like 10%.
Alright.
So we need to boogie.
Alright everybody, we finally made it to this waterfall. Mount Albion Falls. Really hot. It was a mission to get here. We figured we got to show you the waterfall at least. So we're going to come show you the waterfall and we're probably going to cut. Oh, nice. I parkoured so bad, everybody. Look, I parkoured so bad, I just ripped the bottom of my shoe. That's how you parkour around here. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, pop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.